My name is Alex Lambeth, lead welder in the North Bay of the main fab shop. I started at Holloway in January of 2017, straight out of welding school. It wasn't long after I graduated from welding school I came here. Just under 8 years here, started as helper, worked my way up. Well, I got into welding in high school. Before that, I was in wood shop. I've always been good at building things with my hands. I love taking raw material and making something that I think is really artwork. Figured out I want to find something I really enjoy, so trades was for me. Went to welding school at OTC. They did a master welding course. It was a 20-week course. Towards the end of the 20 weeks, my instructor informed me that Holloway was interested in having me come over, do an application, see if I was a good fit. Came in, did an interview. They were happy enough to at least have me start off here. Did not start off as a welder. Started off as a helper, sweeping the floors. I was in the wash bay, cleaning tanks, prepping them for shipping, things like that for a good year. First couple of years of being here, I was definitely eager to learn and grow with Holloway. Day one, I liked everyone that I had to work with. They were all pretty forgiving. It wasn't a big deal for me to take a little longer. It was nice after probably about a year and a half being here. They trusted me to do it on my own. Hand me a packet, say, all right, build the tank. So going out, grabbing shells, laying them out. Everyone I was learning from was very experienced in the field. Made it a lot easier on those first projects to get going and understand that I could do it and just building tanks. Pretty early on, it just became a thing, just building tanks, another day. Probably the biggest obstacle in my life was losing my father at a young age. Luckily, my mom had her parents, and they really stepped in when they didn't have to. Growing up with them and being able to see that it was possible to help each other out, make it through life, seeing the various different ages of people teaching me throughout my life gave me different insights to life. Getting to see what they went through in life and teaching me through that as well. I know a lot of people say Holloway has a family atmosphere, and I do have to agree. We're with each other hours every day. As many years I've been here, I do have some great friends that have come out of this place. It's easy to grow together when you get along so well, and Holloway definitely has that.